Welcome to Buena Ventura Life, this time bits and pieces. What are the bits and pieces I have laying around? Everybody who does this has tons and tons and tons of video that just hasn't been used or wasn't exactly right, so it's sitting on the side. I have, like this is my neighbor's slip, a pirate ship. That's kind of cool. Someday I'm going to do something about that. The heads need to be replaced. There's a pair of Chrysler heat exchangers on the dock. And this is trying to do something.
Trim tab installed.
Here we see a cat showing up. This is Boo, the sailing cat. She loves being out on the water. She enjoys sailing out in the bay. The harder we pound, the better she's happy, or the more happy she is. So here comes Boo. She's an explorer cat. A Norwegian forest cat, lives in trees in Norway. Fearless, take on foxes. I know she's taken on a fox. She lost to a large retriever. I had to reinflate her, but she came back, and here she is, just a little explorer, head scratch. I'm obviously in the house doing something. This is fun, Oh, let's see. Here's Scott Crosby, bus grease mechanic.
Okay, so we're going to go up here, leaving the clubhouse. We're going to go up and just take a walk around the bus. Marina. Bus grease monkey is really need at 8:30 on